Okay, so this is what we're dealing with right now. Like, I am, everything is a disaster. But I moved this from upstairs to here to put here, obviously. And I'm just gonna put like a bunch more organizational things. I guess I should explain what we're doing here. So I'm gonna be doing, this is part 3 of Mel Spring Clean With Me videos. So I don't know if this is gonna be 1 or 2 parts, but basically today I'm gonna work on this for about 4 hours and then I gotta do DEPOP pics. How cute is my set though? So cute. It's by this brand. If you're wondering, Alphenix. It's an Australian brand and I'm so obsessed with it. It's literally so cute. Okay, anyways, so I'm going to be doing a whole organizational video and just really deep cleaning, cleansing, and seriously, organizing the shit out of my little basement apartment. I'm hoping to move out in about 2 or 3 months. So I feel like if I'm like really organized, it will make the moving process a lot easier if I just start to like get rid of everything now. So basically I moved this down here. I have so many organizational things that I have purchased to organize, and like literally guys, I spent a lot of money on just like organizational stuff. I ordered a bunch of stuff from Amazon. I got a bunch of stuff from Winners and the dollar store to deep clean and organize this bad boy. So that's what we're going to be doing in this video. So without further ado, let's get organizing. Alexa, play some music.
It's not that I don't care. Need to shut down to keep you out of my mind. It's strange to be here alone. Yeah, a place that we used to go all the time. I need to do this alone, so just stop calling me up. Just realize that we're done. Don't come back. And I need to do this alone, so just stop calling me up. Just realize that we're done. I won't come back. I have dreams about us. I just want it to stop, because I miss you so much. I miss the way we touch, and I need to make it stop. But I still think about it all the time. I won't stop until it's over. But I still think about it all the time. It's never over till it's over. There is no us no more. No, I'm grasping at straws, trying to save myself. Don't wanna be here alone. No, no. A place we used to go all the time. I need to do this alone, so just stop calling me up. Just realize that we're done. Don't come back. And I need to do this alone, so just stop calling me up. Just realize that we're done. I won't come back. I have dreams about us. I just want it to stop, because I miss you so much. I miss the way we touch, and I need to make it stop.
Okay, so I ended up putting one of these trays here, which I think is such a good idea. I got them from the dollar store. You can definitely find them on Amazon though. I saw them on Amazon, but for $1 I grabbed a bunch of them, and they're actually, this is so handy. I'm gonna use them for like stacking plates in the kitchen and cups and stuff, but also such a good idea. And then, so I still have a bunch of space, but I'm probably gonna end up filling it up because I have more things to put here. I have these drawers to clean out and stuff too. And then down here, I got all these bins because I want to start labeling things and just putting lids on stuff, just so everything's just more organized. So I have this one, which is all nail stuff, which is so organized. I'm so excited about it. So yeah, here is the first little kind of done section. I still probably will have more to do, but like adding more because I have this shelf and then I have space here. So yes, now I'm gonna do the jewelry.
But I still think about it all the time. I won't stop until it's over. But I still think about it all the time. It's never over till it's over. Yeah. But I still think about it all the time. It won't stop until it's over. But I still think about it all the time. It's never over till it's over, baby. Yeah.
Okay, I just reorganized all my hair stuff. It looks so good. I am so happy with it. I have so much hair stuff, and I probably have some more in the bathroom, which I'm gonna end up putting it all here and like probably throwing out a bunch of stuff there. This is also coming along very nicely. This kind of looks awkward here. I feel like I need to fill this in somehow, but we're coming along slowly but surely. We're coming along. So we got this done now. We got the jewelry done. Okay, I also have started a few bins. There's not much here in them yet, but I have a donation pile box, and then I also am gonna have two like keep things that I'm just gonna put away for when I move, things that I just don't need out right now. So, but I don't want to donate necessarily, so I'm gonna keep them in these two bins and then put them away. But we are making progress, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, I just painted my nails. If you look far, they look good. Just don't look at them up close. But then look at this necklace that I just thrifted not too long ago, probably 2 weeks ago. Oh, it's so gorgeous. It's this like vintage choker. I'm obsessed with it. I literally need to sell some of these gold chains because I thrift them all the time and I keep them and I'm like, I need all of them, but I clearly have too many. I need to like open my variety of jewelry up a little bit. And then of course your girl loves Hello Kitty, so I have this beautiful necklace. I was thinking about selling it, but like I can't right now. I love it too much. And then I have my Hello Kitty band-aid here because I actually posted a TikTok, or I did a TikTok dancing, and I completely tore off my whole entire nail. So I can't even paint it. There's no nail. So we put band-aids on. So it's a cute little Hello Kitty band-aid. Update. So I am using these bins to like organize all of my drawers that I have, and then I'm gonna organize them into different things. Like you see, that's all like camera gear, and then like, what is that? I don't know, just random stuff, and then dog stuff, and then like stickers and craft stuff, and then some more random stuff, garbage, and then I have to deal with all this right now because this is like what I've been putting off, but this is all of my sweaters and hoodies, and I just need to go through everything and just like get rid of like half of them because I don't wear half of them. This is all pretty much done. I just keep adding to it, so I'm excited about this being done. And then I just have this stuff in these drawers to go through a little bit more too. I'm just drinking some iced tea, and then I have like these, this is why I'm talking weird, I put like the Biore patches on my face too because why not? They're these thingies. So yeah, I just put these on my face. But yeah, so things are coming along. I have so much more, like I have so much more to do still, but I'm probably gonna call it a night soon because it's almost 9 o'clock and I've been doing this since like 3. So it takes forever, and that's just the way it is, but that's okay because once this is done, I'm gonna be so much better and feel so much better about my life. So that is what we're doing, and then I'm just gonna get in bed and probably, you know, eat some popcorn. So I'm gonna do about like an hour longer and then call it a night. Merch plug. I need content. Do something fun. Do something fun. No?